Do you want to learn how to use different musical techniques to improve your performance? If so, you're on the right video. But first, if you're not already, go subscribe to us down below. Hi, my name is Jess and I'm a member of the band Guided. In this episode of Learning Musical Techniques, we will be looking at rhythm and timing. Specifically, why it's important to ace these techniques. Stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can ace your rhythm and timing. So let's start with rhythm. First off, what is rhythm? The definition of rhythm is a strong, regular, repeated pattern of movement or sound. Basically, it's how long or short the notes are. So why is it important to have good rhythm? Well, if you play a note too long or too short, it's going to change the overall sound or effect that you want the piece of music to be. It will also have an impact on your timing ability and to keep with the beat. If you're playing with an ensemble or a group, it's also going to throw them off a lot. And before we carry on with the video, I just thought to let you know that we have merch. We have currently t-shirts, hoodies and mugs, but there will be more to come. Just do me a favour at the end of this video, click the link down below and check it out. Now let's go on to timing. So what is timing? The definition is the ability to keep accurately to the regular beat and synchronise with an ensemble. So it's how well you can stick with the pace of the music. So what happens if your timing is bad or slightly off? Well, examples of this could be that you make the piece of music longer or shorter than it's meant to be. Also, if you're playing with a band or an ensemble, you're going to end up out of time and frankly it's going to sound awful. Not only does it affect the people you're with, but it also affects the audience and how you want the atmosphere to be. This is the bit you've all been waiting for. How can you improve on your rhythm and timing? Well, you're in luck. I have 4 simple tips. Number 1, listen to the original track and make sure you play at the same speed. 2, read the sheet music carefully and look for a tempo marking or different types of notations to see how long you play a note for. Number 3, play along with the soundtrack or the original track. Number 4, record yourself and listen to it back and see if you're on time. That is it today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favour, drop down in the comments any video suggestions if you want to see more of this series. I know it was short, but hopefully it was snappy and hopefully it helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to see more. Bye!